Feeling stressed, tired, or out of balance? What if nature already gave us the tools to handle it? Not just to cope, but to thrive.
Meet the adaptogens, natural plant powerhouses that help your body adapt to stress and restore harmony. For centuries, Ayurvedic and Chinese healers used herbs like ashwagandha and ginseng
to boost vitality and calm the mind. Now, science is catching up pulse, revealing how they truly work. When you're stressed, your body's HPA axis, HRV, the stress command center Sturyev, goes into overdrive.
Adaptogens help regulate that response, keeping cortisol in check and your energy stable. Compounds like withanolides in ashwagandha or rosavins from Rhodiola interact directly with your cells, helping boost resilience, focus, and even immunity. Let's meet the top adaptogens you need to know. Ashwagandha Terria, your calm companion for anxiety, better sleep, and emotional balance. Rhodiola rosea, the energizer, boosting endurance, stamina, and mental clarity.
Lion's mane, the brain booster, enhancing memory and protecting your nerves.
Want to try them? Choose high-quality supplements, organic, third-party tested, and free from fillers.
Start small, stay consistent, and remember TWIFE. Adaptogens work gradually, building balance over time.
Combine them wisely. Some adaptogens pair beautifully, like ashwagandha and rhodiola, creating a synergy that supports both calm and energy.
Adaptogens don't just fight stress, they teach your body how to thrive under it.
Nature's wisdom, proven by science, guiding you toward a calmer, stronger, more focused you.
Ready to unlock your natural resilience? Like, share, and subscribe to Healthy Living for more holistic, science-backed wellness insights.